Wow. Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy from Toronto again. I'm here with the A959-B. My last video, I showed you guys these discount wheels I got. They look pretty good to me. I haven't tested them yet. So we're gonna go for a little test run. All right, let's check it out. All right, let's do this. Alright to me. Okay, it's a little slippery out here. There's some construction, but yeah, pretty good takeoff. Let's do a pass by here. Wow. A959-B speed. These wheels are awesome, man. Wow, these things are awesome, man. My A959-B, boy. It's an awesome car. These wheels are definitely worth it. Now, these wheels are awesome, man. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Crazy. A959-B. Why I love on-road, guys. Why I love on-road. You can really test the speed of these cars. Can't believe this thing is a brush motor. Alright guys. Wow, I suggest you guys get these wheels, man. I suggest you get them. They're awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Go for some more. Alright.